Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 403 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then we have to find the apps section. So let's scroll down and find the apps. Then let's tap on special access and here in this list we have to find the option install unknown apps. And as you can see, right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, like in my case to install some content, and of course you can change it. Simply tap on the app and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that from now on the Chrome is allowed to install unknown apps. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove the previously granted permissions. Just find the app and tap on the switcher again. And as you can see right now, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.